the museum find its origins? Well, it's a two-part story. First of all, there's the birth of the museum's collection. In World War I, the U.S. Air Service didn't have a great handle on the latest technology coming from Europe, and they needed to get smart with that really fast. And so they collected engines and airframes and instruments and all sorts of other things from our European partners. They brought all this back to McCook Field, where there was an engineering laboratory where Americans could get smart with all this stuff and begin to design and manufacture and experiment with our own equipment made by Americans for Americans. So it was a pretty steep learning curve, but the things they brought back from Europe eventually formed the nucleus of our museum collection. It all started out as an engineering study collection for engineers to look at. Well, later in 1923, the Army decided to institutionalize this collection, to make an actual museum out of it. And so we trace the birth of our institution to the spring of 1923, when the Army's museum opened with that collection that came from World War I as an engineering study piece. It all comes together to give us our 100-year birthday in 2023.